I remember standing on the porch one chilly morning, coffee mug warming my hands, when the horizon shifted from dark blue to a glowing ribbon of orange. The air was still, and for a moment the world seemed suspended. My heart raced as I watched the sky unfold, as if dawn itself was pulling back a curtain. It made me wonder, why do sunrises glow with such fire? The first time I noticed it, I was a child on a family camping trip. I rubbed my eyes awake and stumbled out of the tent, only to be stopped by a burst of pink and gold spreading across the lake. I felt like I had walked into a painting. That memory lingered, fueling a quiet obsession. I needed to know what made the morning sky light up as though alive. Years later, curiosity drove me to search for answers. I read articles, watched documentaries, even cornered my science teacher with questions. Why didn't sunrises look the same every day? Why did some mornings blaze crimson while others whispered pale lavender? Each clue pulled me deeper into the mystery. Then came the revelation. Sunrises glow because of scattering, tiny particles and molecules in the air bending sunlight. As the sun rises at a low angle, its light travels through more of Earth's atmosphere. The shorter blue and green wavelengths scatter out, leaving behind the longer red and orange hues that paint the sky. It's like a natural filter, stripping away some colors and amplifying others. It clicked when I compared it to things I saw every day, like shining a flashlight through fog, where the mist filters the beam into warm streaks, or like tinted sunglasses shifting the world's palette. Even a candle behind glass glows warmer, just as the air itself acts as a giant prism for the rising sun. These images transformed science into something I could feel in my bones. Before, I thought the beauty of a sunrise was pure magic. Now I see it as a collaboration between physics and nature, where molecules and light choreograph a daily performance. That shift changed how I see mornings. I no longer take them for granted. They are lessons written in light, and the meaning runs deeper. Sunrises remind me that beginnings often come through struggle. Just as light must travel through the thickest air to reveal its brilliance, our breakthroughs often emerge after the longest nights. Every sunrise whispers that resilience creates radiance. If this discovery surprised you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Check the description and pinned comment for links to similar curious science questions.